There have been a lot of big changes recently in the beard game when it comes to beard conditioners and co-washes, and those are the same thing, guys. A co-wash is just using a conditioner by itself to wash your beard rather than using a wash followed by a conditioner. And I wanted to give you guys my updated top 5 beard conditioners list, and I am going to break it down from number 5 down to number 1, my favorite one, and everything in between there. And just because a product or company doesn't make this list doesn't mean that they're bad, doesn't mean that I don't like the products. I just like to narrow it down and give you guys an actual list, and this one will break it down to number 1. And conditioners especially are something that I get a lot of range to be able to work with. When I'm reviewing a company, I strictly use their products. I don't have a lot of time to pick what I want to use because I'm testing them out and giving them that thorough run through. But not all the companies I review, very few of them actually have conditioners. So most days I get freedom to pick what conditioner I would like to use and try different ones. So I have a lot to be able to go from with experience on these beard conditioners. And if you're new here, you're searching for beard products, my name is DanCBearded. This channel is all about beards. If you like it, think about subscribing, and I'll break it down right after this intro. Number 5 is Husky Beard and Grooming Co. And this is their beard conditioner. This is a great one. I've gone through several bottles of this, especially since their rebranding and new products. This came out on January 1st of this year. And what I'm going to kind of rate all of the conditioners on is if they are heavy, medium, or light. And what I mean by that is conditioners coat the beard. Some of them do that more so than others, and there may be different situations when you want a heavier one, a medium one, or a lighter one. I would say Husky is on the medium heavy side. It's going to coat your beard. When you get out of the shower, you're going to comb through your beard like a dream. It's just going to glide as it goes through, but it's not the heaviest. It's not the deepest conditioning in the world. Just a really good, solid option for a regular. What I mean by that is using it decently often, or your go-to one for a beard conditioner. I do have a discount code with Husky Beard Co. That is all caps DanC15 to save you guys 15%. And all the codes in this video, guys, are affiliate codes, and they do help out the channel. So I'd like to say save and support. Number 4, we have Bad Dog Beard Co.'s beard conditioner. I right now have the Amber Oak scent. I love their peppermint rosemary scent as well. I don't believe they have an unscented at this time. So one thing to say with this is, especially the Amber Oak, the scent does carry over in this. I only use this conditioner when I use that beard oil now. Their peppermint rosemary was a little bit lighter and could mix with different scents in a much easier way, but just something to consider. My go-to is normally unscented beard conditioners, but their conditioner is so good, feels so amazing in beard. I make that exception, but I just make sure I match up the scents. And I do have a discount code with them. It is Dan the Man, all caps, for 10% off. Bad Dog, Jeff came up with it, not me. And this one would be a straight up medium. Last one I said was a medium heavy or medium deep. This one is a straight up medium. Your beard is going to feel nourished. It's going to feel like it's no longer dry. There's not going to be tangles in there. Guys, and the little pro tip is use a comb in the shower. Once you put that beard conditioner in there, it's just going to help it make everything easier when you get out of the shower. Bad Dog Beard Co. Check out what scents they have and also try to find what conditioners they have in stock. Really good, high quality, getting into the big leagues for conditioners now. Number 3, the Bronze is my hometown state. I got a Michigan hat on. Detroit Grooming with their beard conditioner. And it says with biotin here. There's another one on the list coming up that has biotin in it as well. And that is something I'm going to look more into. We all know and have heard about the benefits of taking biotin through supplements, through diet, and helping beard growth. I do not have enough facts on topically using biotin, if it helps or not. Worst case scenario, it's just in there and it's not going to do anything bad. There's no harm it can do, but hey, maybe it does help. Something that will be a future video for you guys. But Detroit Grooming has this wonderful beard conditioner. This one also is not unscented. It has a toasted vanilla. It almost smells like a roasted marshmallow type scent. They did a limited release beard butter. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it is titled 313 313. Detroit area code there for my 8 Mile fans. And this is awesome. Discount code with them is all lowercase DanCBearded for 15% off. And I do have a link for all of these in the description, so you can just click that and go right there. This one would again be on the medium heavy side of medium deep side of the beard conditioners. It's going to coat the beard. It's going to give you that outer layer of protection, but not be too heavy where your beard doesn't breathe. My least favorite conditioners are head hair conditioners because it's so heavy on your beard and it's not going to be able to get that water the way it should be. It's not going to be able to let air in and out as it should be. This one is on the heavier side, but still is going to do an amazing job. It's going to smell great, and it's something that they worked on and worked on and worked on. A lot of these I helped develop, and this was one included. They sent out testers. They ran the ingredients by me, and it was an honor that they would even ask. Great quality company. If you guys haven't checked them out yet, Detroit Grooming. Number 2, the silver. I got 2 options for you. Same company, Chesapeake Beard Co. We have one that has my name on it, the Co-Mand Co-Wash. I helped with the scent. I didn't do too much with the ingredients, as amazing as it is, and I'd love to take credit. I didn't really help out there too much. And then their newer one, the Ultra. So we have 2 different things here. First thing, real quick, discount code DanC10 for 10% off. Capital D, capital C in the description as always. You have 2 very different options here with their conditioners. Very different, which is great if you're a Chesapeake fan. The newer one, the Ultra, is a heavy conditioner. This is a deep conditioner. This is the heaviest one on the list, and I use this one on like repair days. This is gonna be one that is, my beard is feeling dry, it's feeling brittle. Maybe I didn't do so good on my water the day before. Maybe it's Rona season and I'm have to wash my beard more often. This will be one that I really wanna just boost my beard back up again. You can see here it has that old Scotch Porter-like top, and it's doing amazing. And to address the elephant in the room, the new Scotch Porter stuff is good. It's not bad for your beard. It's not going to hurt your beard at all, but it is not, for me, better than any of the ones on this list, and that is a fact. And you guys know I have no problem saying that. The old Scotch Porter was my number 1, but same top here, same kind of container. I love that. This is my favorite top and container for conditioners. Ultra, very heavy. It has a scent to it, and I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a sweet scent. It's a lighter scent. It's not going to clash with anything. Really tough to describe. And then you have the Co-Mand Co-Wash. This would be on the light side of conditioners. We're getting into my favorites. You guys are going to see my preferences there. Unless it's something that's like a repair, some one-time type use. If I'm going to use it regularly, I like to have a actually light conditioner, and Co-Mand Co-Wash is going to do that. This is going to give you a sea salt and driftwood scent. Very light, does not linger, will not clash with any of your products after that, and it just smells fresh. The best way that I can describe it, as if you climbed up the mountains and there's a sea salt lake. See, is that a thing? There's a sea salt body of water that's up in the mountains. It's just really nice, really relaxing, a great way to start your morning by using this conditioner in the shower. So 2 great options coming in at the silver for Chesapeake Beard Co. And number 1, the gold, newly released. We got 2 options here, 2 different applications actually, and that is Beard Octane, discount code DanC10. This has changed everything for me. They have been working on this for over 4 months now with many rounds of testers. They sent it out to me, and Joe was like, Dan, what do you think? I said, hey, it's good. I really like it. And he's like, where would it fall on your list? Somewhere in my top 10. He was like, nope, not good enough. Sent me another one. I was like, hey, that's better. He's like, is it your favorite? I was like, nope. Sent me another one. Sent me another one. Kept dialing it, keep tweaking it, all of those things. And finally, oh my goodness gracious. A lot of you are here for the live stream launch. A lot of you have been receiving them. I cannot wait to hear down in the comments what your thoughts are. Good, bad, other. We know everybody's beard takes to products differently, but I got a feeling this one is for everybody. Their beard conditioner is the in-shower conditioner. Look at that manly, amazing label there. 8 ounces. This is a light conditioner. This is the lightest conditioner on the list, the lightest one I've ever used, and the best one that I have ever used. Let me say that again and again, guys. Integrity, honesty, respect, all of that means everything to this channel. If I were ever to lose that, I lose everything. This is the best conditioner that I have ever used for my beard. Absolutely amazing. Light side of conditioning, neutral scent, which means no scent whatsoever. Yes, that's what I love. And then over here, we have their leave-in conditioner. Now for me, I recommend using this once every other week. Maybe if you have a dry or a gray beard, once every week. And what you're gonna do for this one is you're gonna wear this one at night and do what it says, leave it in. I recommend a warm nighttime shower. Do not put any oil in your beard afterwards. Simply dry your beard to your normal dampness of about 75% dry. And then you're gonna apply a little dollop. I like to go with the 2 pads of my fingers, little scoop there, rub it in my hands, put it through my beard just like I would with beard butter. Go to bed, rinse it out in the morning, and your beard will feel amazing. It's gonna look and feel like garbage when you wake up. Please believe that. But that second you get in the shower, run your fingers through it, run a comb through it, it's amazing. Absolutely game-changing products right here, you guys. Beard Octane, beard conditioners, check them out. But again, this is a top 5 list. That means these are amazing. There are other great ones out there that I love that are not on this list, like Fable and Uncle Donnie's and tons of others. But these are the best for me and my beard from what I've experienced. And I've experienced a lot of them. But the best of the best, you guys, the beard conditioner and leave-in conditioner from Beard Octane. Final thoughts in conclusion here. Please do me a favor and help me out on this after I give you guys the challenge. Pause the video, leave a comment down below, then come back up and finish the video. If you have ever tried any of the products on this list, please go down to the comments. If you're on your phone, swipe down. If you're on the computer, scroll down. Leave a comment with your experience on these specific ones. If you've tried all the products, list the name and then give your thoughts on it. If you've only tried one, put the name, then give your thoughts on it. Good, bad, other. It is uncorked, unopened, uncensored, just like our giveaways on this channel. Give us your thoughts so they can hear from you guys and not just me. We have all types of beards out there, from different types of skin and oily skin, dry skin, curly beards, coarse beards, thick beards, thin beards. Let the people know. Give any information that you would like that may help out somebody that's looking. Break it down for them so we can do this together as a community. These are my favorites. Last part of the challenge, what are yours? Is your favorite on this list? Is your favorite that is somewhere else with a different company? The only thing that we know is if it is not currently being produced by a company, we don't want to put that on the list. I love that old Scotch Porter conditioner. However, it's no longer being produced, so I can't put that on here. Or maybe Amazon or some other options, but these ones are available and made by companies for you guys. So I hope this helped you out. A lot of you have been asking for this video, and here it is. My name is DanCBearded. I'm excited to hear your thoughts, answer your questions, and see all those comments. Stay bearded and stay positive.